Okay, back to the Lambo build. No rules, just compromises. We got to make the same thing as this on the other side to fill in that corner, and then we got to get the hinge right. Using my metal shears to cut out this pattern, I got another line scribed in there. I don't know if you can see it. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just got to be kind of sort of. I'm going to try to do this one hand. Just like cutting paper out. Even though this is brand new sheet metal, you can tell that we're not in the desert anymore. Let's get this cleaned up and treated. You can do some here at the top of the hood too. Well, I got the heavy surface rust off. Now let's make it great again. Here's the before on the panel we were just cleaning. I'll show you why I like Rust-Oleum Rust Dissolver. And Rust-Oleum, you should sponsor me. I use your stuff on my channel all the time. Watch what it does, and we'll let it sit on here for 30 minutes. You can already see it doing its thing. I'm using a soft brush to scrub it in a little. We'll treat the top too. Getting clearer, we're about 10 minutes in. I used a little Scotch-Brite for the final step, and I cleaned off the rest of it, I think. Anyways, we'll wipe this off, and then we'll mark it out, and we'll start bending it. Take a look at how well Rust-Oleum Rust Dissolver cleans that metal. I mean, it's not perfect. We're going to sand it anyways when it's all said and done, but I mean, it took all that surface rust off, and I think it'll paint just fine. We're going to use the scientific method of just marking it out kind of as I feel it's going to be right here and right here. And then we'll take that and bend it. We'll put it in the metal brake that I bought specifically for this car. Ignore the mess. Measure once, bend twice. No, I don't think that's how it goes, but we're going to bend it twice. There's the first bend. Why is that so satisfying? Scribe the next mark for the next bend. Judge my origami skills if you must, but that's the second bend. Well, that cleaned up good. I said no rules, just compromises, so I got this marked out. We'll cut that off. And just like that, we have an edge. No rules, more compromises. We'll have to finish bend that a different way. So here's the finished piece, and as I welded this hood on and cut it off a few times, line up the body line so that this is flat, and then I weld it in place, and then I'll weld this piece in, and then cut it all apart. Just gonna seam weld it here as best as we can, and there's no rules. I never said I was a welder, but we'll clean up this weld, and then it'll be good enough for now. We'll grind all this down when we're ready to get it ready for paint. That's why we say no rules, just compromises.